Tired of pop-ups and endless ads? Let's block them quickly and enjoy smooth browsing. The easiest method: install an ad blocker extension. Here's how. Step 1. Open your browser and go to the extension store. Chrome Web Store for Chrome, add-ons for Firefox, etc. Step 2. Search for uBlock Origin or AdGuard. Step 3. Click Add to Browser and enable it. Boom. Most ads are now blocked instantly. Some browsers have built-in ad blockers. Let's turn them on. For Chrome, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings, Ads, and block intrusive ads. For Edge, go to Settings, Privacy, and enable strict tracking prevention. For Opera and Brave, ads are blocked by default. This helps reduce annoying pop-ups and trackers automatically. Want an instant ad-free experience? Just switch to Brave browser. Why Brave? Built-in ad and tracker blocker. No need for extensions. Blocks YouTube ads, pop-ups, and trackers automatically. And that's it. No more annoying ads. Let me know if this helped. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.